apple and blackberry crumble. I've had these apples given. They're not very big, but they are eating apples apparently. These are some beautiful blackberries I picked from just down the lane, and about 4 ounces of demerara sugar. No matter how sweet the fruit tastes when it's raw, it always needs sugar adding when you cook it. Otherwise it goes very tart. So that's why we add the sugar. So they're only tiny, these apples, but we've got plenty of them. So I'm going to peel them and I'll show you how to get rid of the cores. The blackberries have been washed in salted water to get rid of any little icky wickies, and then rinsed off. Ideally you would use Bramley apples for cooking, but that doesn't mean you can't use any other type. So what we do now, we cut straight down the middle, through the core and again, and then just make a little V like that, and the core comes out. Again, a little V down one way, then another, and the core comes out. So that's how you want them, pit free, and then we'll do that with all of them, and then I shall put them into little slices like that. So we'll prepare all the apples like that, then put everything together. So the apples are all prepared now, so in with the blackberries and the sugar. This is a greased dish, by the way. I've greased it with butter. So I'm going to give these a good old mix. Get the sugar in there, evenly spread out. This will produce some lovely juice for the crumble. It's going to at least feed 6, I would say this. So for the crumble, I've got 8 ounces of plain flour, 4 ounces of sugar, demerara sugar, 3 ounces of butter, and a tablespoonful of oatbran. Now the demerara sugar and the oatbran give it a nice crunch, which makes it a little bit more interesting. And I've got the oven set at gas 6, 200 centigrade, 400 Fahrenheit. So I'm going to rub all this together with my fingertips. So that's it. Crumble ready for the oven. So that's the crumble made. You can really smell the apples coming through. Smells delicious. Just going to serve some up now and I'll show you the finished one. You could serve it with ice cream or custard, but I'm just having it with double cream. Naughty naughty. See you later. Bye.